Welcome. In this very quick video, I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to get your WhatsApp link. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, you will need to know your number. Okay, get your full number, including the plus sign and your country code. So open up a web browser. Let's say this one. Open it up. Now go ahead and start typing in the URL box. Okay, wa.me, all right, / like so, followed by your phone number with country code. Say +639. Let's say this one. Okay, now you can go ahead and test it out by just tapping on it. Or if it's allowed, and then once it loads, it should work now. Okay, or you can go back and just retype the same thing to Messenger, whatever it is. Let's say this one, just type down. You could go ahead and add an HTTPS : // okay, to make it legit, of course, wa.me / followed by your phone number. All right, and once that's done, just send it. You should be good to go. All right, let's say I'm going to go ahead and send it to my sister right here. Send. There you go. It's now a full-fledged link. So when someone taps on it, okay, they should be able to see your profile or WhatsApp. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.